Assalomu alaykum. Demak, workbook unit 1 A ga yetib keldik. Vocabulary family. I can talk about family members. Men oila a'zolarim haqida ayta olaman deyapti. Demak, mana bitta oila berilgan ekan. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 kishi ekan. Complete sentence with the correct family member from the words below. Pastdagi so'zlar bilan deyapti. To'g'ri oila a'zolari bilan gaplarni to'ldiring deyapti. Cousins, amakivachchalar, granddaughter, nevara, qiz nevara, grandfather, demak, bobo, grandparents, bobo buvi, grandson, o'g'il, nevara, nephew, jiyan, o'g'il bola, niece, jiyan, qiz bola, jiyanmi, nevarami? Sister, nephew, jiyan. Demak, nephew, nephew, yoziladi. Nephew, jiyan, o'g'il bola, niece, jiyan, qiz bola, sister, opa singil, uncle, amaki, tog'a. My son is my grandson. Demak, my son mening o'g'limning o'g'li meni nevaram bo'ladi deyapti. Demak, o'g'il nevaram bo'ladi. My dad's mening dadamning brother is my mening dadamning aka ukasi men uchun my nima bo'ladi? Uncle bo'ladi. Uncle. My mom's father mening onamning dadasi and mother ayasi are my nima bo'ladi? Bobo buvi, ya'ni grandparents bo'ladi. Grandparents. My parents' daughter is mening ota-onamning qizi menga nima bo'ladi? Sister bo'ladi, opam yoki singlim. Sister. My father is my dadamning dadasi menga bobo bo'ladi. Grandfather. My father's sisters mening dadamning singlisining children qizi are meni jiyanim bo'ladi. My father's sisters children bolalari men uchun nima bo'ladi? Jiyanlar bo'ladi. Jiyanlar. Amakivachchalar. My father's sisters children are my tog'avachcha, amakivachcha ketaverar ekanda. Cousins. My brother's daughter is mening akamning qizi men uchun menga kim bo'ladi? Akamning qizi meni jiyanim bo'ladi, qiz bola. Demak, niece. My daughters mening qizimning daughter qizi meni qizimning qizi men uchun nevara bo'ladi, qiz bola nevara nima bo'lardi? Granddaughter. Granddaughter. My sister's son mening opamning o'g'li is o'g'il bola jiyan, demak nephew. Hop, tekshirib ko'ramiz. 2 ga demak uncle, 3 ga grandparents, 4 ga sister, 5 ga grandfather, 6 ga cousins, 7 ga niece, 8 ga granddaughter, 9 ga nephew. Demak, to'g'ri. Complete the 3 more sentences like those in exercise 1. Demak, complete 3 more sentences. Demak, 3 ta gap to'ldiring deyapti. Like those is birinchi mashqqa o'xshab deyapti. Demak, my nimadir? Is my grandmother. Demak, grandfather bor edi. Demak, grandmother shu yerdan kelib chiqib topsak bo'ladi. My father's father is my grandfather bo'lsa, endi grandmother nima bo'ladi? My father's yoki mother's farqi yo'q. Father's mother demak mother. Mother is my grandmother. Demak, endi aunt, amaki tog'a. Demak, amaki tog'aga nima keldi bu yerda? Amma borda. My dad's brother is my uncle edi. Endi my dad's yoki my dad's brother da o'rniga endi sister is my aunt. Xolam bo'ladi. Endi are my nieces, jiyanlarim deyapti, qiz bola jiyanlarim. Hop, 3ta my bir narsa are my nieces. Demak, mening qiz bola jiyanlarim bo'ladi deyapti. Demak, bizda berilganmidi? Mana niece berilgan. My brother's daughter is my dedi. Endi shuni qiz my brother's daughter da endi daughters qo'ysak bo'ldi ekan. Daughters qizlari. Mening akamning qizlari are my niece. Demak, meni nima bo'ladi? Qiz bola jiyanim bo'ladi deb. Demak, tekshiramiz. Mother's yoki father's mother farqi yo'q, to'g'ri. Mother, father, sister, to'g'ri. Brother, sisters, daughters, to'g'ri. 3ga o'tdik. Add the apostrophe in the correct places. Demak, qo'ying deyapti. To'g'ri joyga apostrofni deyapti. Then choose the correct answer A or B. Keyin to'g'ri javobni tanlang deyapti. Choose tanlamoq, answer javob. A yoki B dan deyapti. My mother's new husband is my. Demak, mana bu S. My mother's mening onamning bo'lsa, demak, mana bu yerga qo'yamiz. My mother's new husband mening onamning yangi eri is my. Demak, step bilan beramiz. Stepfather B bo'ladi ekan. To'g'ri javob B. Stepfather. Hop. My sister's husband is my. Demak, my sister's husband mening opamning eri my. Nima bo'ladi? Brother-in-law. A ya'ni brother in law. Brother-in-law. Hop. Demak, my sister's husband is my brother-in-law bo'ldi. My son's o'g'limning wife xotini men uchun nima bo'ladi? Demak, daughter-in-law bo'ladi endi. B ya'ni daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law. Demak, B bo'ldi. Endi to'g'ri. My father's mening dadamning xotinining dadamni xotinining qizi, dadamni xotinini qizi is my. Demak, my father's wife is mening dadamning xotinini qizi nima bo'ladi? Step sister. Agar o'ziniki bo'lganda, opasi, singlisi opasi bo'lish kerak, sister bo'lish kerak edi. Demak, bu sister-in-law degan javob bor. Bu bo'lmaydi. Demak, mana bu B bo'lar ekan, step sister demak, o'gay ekanda u. Step sister. Bizda juda kam, xudoga shukr. Ularda ko'p shekilli bunday holatlar. Oddiy holatda yozib ketyapti. 4da demak tekshirib ko'ramiz. 3da. Hop, birinchisi mothers bo'lib turib B bo'ldi. To'g'ri. 2da sisters bo'lib turib A bo'ldi. To'g'ri. 3da sons bo'lib turib B bo'ldi. Sons bo'lib B bo'ldi. 4ga fathers, wives bo'lib turib keyin B bo'ldi. Step sister. To'g'ri. Demak, look at the apostrophes. Apostroflarga qarang, deyapti. Tick the correct sentence A or B. Tick degani ptichka degani. Tick. T I K. Tick. Demak, belgi degani ekan, tick, belgi. Tick. Tick. Demak, belgi qo'ying deyapti. Take the correct sentence A or B. Demak, ptichka qo'yishimiz kerak ekan. Hop, demak, qarandash tavallikchi. Hop, my children's dog, mening o'g'limning iti. My children's dog, mening o'g'limning iti is at their uncle's house. Uning amakisining uyida deyapti. Mening o'g'limning iti amakisining uyida. Hop, my children's dog, mening o'g'limning iti is at their uncle's house. Demak, amakilarining uyida. Uncle's, amakisining uyida. There. My children's, mening bolalarimning iti, demak bitta it is. Hop, my children's dog, mening children's, demak bu xato, mana s children o'zi ko'plik, unga s qo'shilmaydi, ha? Demak, tepadagi o'z-o'zidan to'g'ri bo'lyapti. My children's dog, mening bolalarimning iti is at their uncle's, amakilarining uyida. Uncle's bo'lsa amakisining uyida. Demak, mana bu to'g'ri bo'ldi. 2da that's my wife's sister's car. O'zi wife xotin, endi unga bu mening xotinlarimning singlisining mashinasi. Xotinlarim bo'lmaydi. That's my wife's, bu mening xotinimning sisters, singlisining car, mashinasi. Demak, B bo'ladi. 3da my nephew's mother is my brother's wife. Demak, brother's wife. My nephew's, mening o'g'il bola jiyanimning onasi. My brother's, mening akalarimning xotini. Akalarimning xotini bo'lmasa kerak. Endi akalarimning bo'lsa xotinlari bo'lish kerak edi. Akalarini bitta xotini bo'lmaydi, to'g'rimi? My nephew's mother, demak mening jiyanlarimning onasi is my brother's wife, mening akamning xotini. Endi bu to'g'ri, demak. Bunda B to'g'ri ekan. Demak, tekshirib ko'ramiz. Hop, bizda 4-mashqqa keldik, a. 1 A bo'ldi, 1 A to'g'ri, 2 B bo'ldi, to'g'ri, 3 B bo'ldi. Demak, to'g'ri bo'pti uchalasi. Endi 5ga o'tdik. Look at the family tree. Demak, daraxt, oila daraxtiga qarang, ha? Write sentence about the people in brackets. Bracket degani qavs. Qavslarning ichidagi odamlar haqida gaplar tuzing, gaplar yozing deyapti. Sam, Joanna. Demak, Andy, Mark. Keyin Mark, demak, Ameliyaga uylangan ekan. Mark bilan Ameliyaning 3 ta farzandi bor ekan. Anna, Rob, Ellie. Endi Ameliyalar oilada 4 ta farzand bo'lgan ekan. Amelia, Lucky, Zack, Emma. Endi 3 ta farzand bo'lgan ekan. Amelia, Lucky, Zack. Zack Emma xotini ekan, demak Zack erkak bo'lsa, ikkovidan 2 ta farzand bor ekan. Ben bilan Grace bor ekan. Ketdik. Demak, pechatная mashinka. Birda aytyapti Mark Andy. Mark bilan Andy ikkalasi nima ekan? Brother. Aka-uka ekan. Mark is Andy's brother. Andy qiz bola bo'lgan taqdirda ham, demak Mark Andyning akasi. Mark Andyning akasi ekan. Yoki ukasi. Endi Benga o'tyapmiz. Ben is Anna's. Ben esa Annaning, mana Ben, qani Ben? Mana Ben, Anna. Demak, ikkalasi nima? Amakivachchami yo nima bu? Hop. Mark bilan Ameliyani qizi Anna. Endi Ameliyani akasini o'g'li Ben. Demak, ikkalasi bir-biriga nima bo'ladi? Demak, Annani ayasini akasini o'g'li deylik. Ya'ni tog'asini o'g'li, tog'avachcha, ammavachcha, demak tog'avachcha, ammavachcha bo'lishi kerak ekan. Hop, tog'avachcha degani bormi bizda? Cousins bo'ladi. Cousins. Amakivachcha. Cousins amakivachchami axir? Cousin. Amakivachcha. Cousins bo'lsa amakivachchalar bo'ladi. Cousins. Endi 3 ga o'tdik. Joanna, Rob. Demak, Joanna qani? Joanna, Rob. Demak, Joannani o'g'li deylik. Nevarasi, o'g'il nevarasi bo'lar ekan. Agar Rob o'g'il bola bo'lsa. Joanna is Joanna Robga kim bo'ladi deyapti. Joanna is Robning nimasi? Grandmother. Demak, Mark o'tdik endi. Mark is Ben. Mark Benning qani Mark, mana uni Ben. Demak, Mark Benning nimasi? Demak, Markni xotinini, demak, akasini o'g'li nima bo'ladi? Demak, jiyan deb qo'yaveramiz men. Mark is Ben's bilmadim, to'g'risi jiyan bo'lsa kerak. Endi ko'ramiz javobini, aniqini bilmadim. Hop, 5 ta Rob, Lucky. Demak, Rob is Lucky. Lucky's. Demak, Rob qani? Rob mana, Lucky mana. Demak, Rob Luckyning jiyani bo'ladi. Job is Lucky's jiyan. Demak, Rob o'g'il bola bo'lsa, o'g'il bola jiyan. Nephew deylik. O'g'il bola jiyan. Hop, Zack Emma. Zack mana Emma. Zack Emmani eri. Zach is Emma's husband. And Sam is Andy. Sam Andy'ning nimasi? Sam Andy. Sam Andy'ning dadasi. Father. Demak, 8 ga keldik. Amelia is Ellie'ning onasi. Mother. Anna is Ellie's. Anna qani? Anna Ellie'ning nimasi? Opasi yoki singlisida. Sister. Endi Sam and Rob. Sam bilan Rob. Sam Robning bobosi. Sam is Rob's grandfather. Hop, tekshirib ko'ramiz endi 5-mashq. Demak, 2da Ben is Anna's cousins. Nimaga cousins? Bir kishi-yu, cousin bo'lar ekan. Mana birinchi xato. 3da demak, Joanna is Rob's grandmother. To'g'ri. Mark is Ben's uncle. Mark is Ben's amaki bo'lar ekan. Benga amaki bo'lar ekan. Tog'a yoki tog'ada endi uncle bo'lyapti ekan. 5da Rob is Lucky's nephew. To'g'ri. Zach is Emma's husband. To'g'ri. Sam is Andy's father. To'g'ri. Amelia is Billy's mother. To'g'ri. Anna is Ellie's sister. To'g'ri. Sam is Rob's grandfather. To'g'ri. Demak, bizda bitta to'rda demak Mark Ben bo'ldi. Mark Benni nimasi bo'lar ekan? Amakisi yo tog'asi, tog'asi bo'laveradi. Hop, 6da listen to a girl and boy talking about a photo of the family in exercise 5. What is the girl's name? Qizning ismi nima deyapti? Use the family tree to help you. Demak, 104 eshitishimiz kerak ekan. Endi 104. Demak, workbookga borib olamiz. 104.
Unit 1, Lesson 1A, Exercises 6 and 7.
That's a nice photo. Is that your dad?
No, it isn't. That's Zach, my uncle. He's my mum's brother. And that's his son, Ben.
So Ben is your cousin?
That's right. And Ben has got a sister, Grace.
And is that Grace in the photo?
No, that's me. But that isn't my mum. It's my aunt, Emma. She's Zach's wife.
Where are your brother and sister?
My brother isn't there. Ellie is behind the camera.
Lesson 1C.
Demak, Ellie qayerda ekan? Kamera orqasida ekan. Savol nima bo'ladi? What is the girl's name? Ellie ekan. Ellie. She is Ellie deb qo'ying. Ellie. U yo'q dedi lekin, rasmda yo'q ekan. Beshdagi rasmga deganiga, beshdagi rasmga qaradik. Hop. Tekshirib ko'ramiz. Demak, 6 ga javob Anna bo'lib chiqdi-yu. Anna. Listen to a girl and boy talking about the photo of the family in the exercise 5. Exercise 5 ga qaradik. Endi What is the girl's name? Qizning ismi nima deyapti? Use the family tree to help you. Family tree qurishiga yordam bering ya. Use the family tree to help you. Oila daraxtiga yordam berishda foydalaning deya. Hop, eshitib ko'ramiz.
Exercise 4. 1. End. 2. Match. Unit 1. Lesson 1A. Exercises 6 and 7.
That's a nice photo. Is that your dad?
No, it isn't. That's Zach, my uncle. He's my mum's brother. And that's his son, Ben.
So Ben is your cousin.
That's right. And Ben has got a sister, Grace.
And is that Grace in the photo?
No, that's me. But that isn't my mum. It's my aunt, Emma. She's Zach's wife.
Where are your brother and sister?
My brother isn't there. Ellie is behind the camera.
Lesson 1C. Exercise 4. Unit 1. Lesson 1A. Exercises 6 and 7.
That's a nice photo. Is that your dad?
No, it isn't. That's Zach, my uncle. He's my mum's brother. And that's his son, Ben.
So Ben is your cousin.
That's right. And Ben has got a sister, Grace.
And is that Grace in the photo?
No, that's me. But that isn't my mum. It's my aunt, Emma. She's Zach's wife.
Where are your brother and sister?
My brother isn't there. Ellie is behind the camera.
Lesson 1.
Demak, Anna ekan. Qayerdan bildik desak, mana that's a nice photo deyapti. Bu chiroyli rasm ekan. Is that your dad? Bu sen dadangmi deydi. No, that's Zach deyapti. Bu Zach deyapti. My uncle deyapti. Bu meni amakim deyapti. He's my mom's brother. Bu meni dadamni akasi deyapti. And that's his son Ben va uni o'g'li Ben deyapti. So Ben is your cousin? Shunda seni Ben senga amakivachcha bo'ladimi deyapti. That's right. Ha, to'g'ri. And Ben has got a sister Grace va Benni opasi bor Grace deganda. And is that Grace in the photo? Mana Grace rasmimi deyapti. No, that's me deyapti. Bu men deyapti. But that isn't my mom. It's my aunt. Va bu meni onam emas, bu meni xolam deyapti. Emma deyapti. Emma xolasi ekan. Zakni xotinida. She's Zach's wife. U Zachni xotini deyapti. Where are your brother and sister deyapti. Qayerda akang va singling deyapti. My brother is not there. Meaning akam bu yerda yo'q deyapti. Ellie is behind the camera. Ellie kameraning orqasida deyapti. Demak, Ellie kamerada bo'lsa, Rob bu yerda yo'q bo'lsa, o'z-o'zidan kim qoldi? Demak, so'zlovchi demak Anna ekan. Demak, biz kameradagini yozib qo'yibmiz. Demak, Anna deb to'g'rilab qo'yamiz. Anna. Hushyor bo'lish kerak endi, demak, listeningni oshirish kerak. Hop, listen again which your member is of their family from exercise 5 are in the photo. Label them. Demak, mana rasm haqida gap ketgan ekan. Listen again which four members of the family, which were four members, qaysi 4 a'zo oilangizda from exercise 5 are in the photo. Label them. Label them degani pastdagimidi? Kecha ko'ruvdik. Label them. Ularni belgilang.
Label them.
Label them. Ularni belgilang. Listen again. Which four members of the family from exercise 5 are in the photo? Rasmdagi 5-mashqdagi rasmlardan family, which four members of the family from demak, ismlarni yozib chiqishimiz kerak ekan. Hop, eshitib ko'rikchi 1-0.
Unit 1, Lesson 1A, Exercises 6 and 7.
That's a nice photo. Is that your dad?
No, it isn't. That's Zach, my uncle. He's my mum's brother. And that's his son, Ben.
So Ben is your cousin.
That's right. And Ben has got a sister, Grace.
And is that Grace in the photo?
No, that's me. But that isn't my mum. It's my aunt, Emma. She's Zach's wife.
Where are your brother and sister?
My brother isn't there. Ellie is behind the camera.
Demak, biz tepadagimiz, mana tepadagi mana buni ko'rishimiz kerak ekan oltida ham. Demak, bu yerda 4 kishi bo'lyapti. Bu Ellie ekan, bu uchalasi bitta oila ekan. Va buni opasi kamerada ekan. To'g'rimi? Shunda birinchi Zach bo'ldi. Mana Zach. Bu ikkinchisi nima bo'ldi? Uni o'g'li Ben bo'ldi. Ben. Va bu Ellie ekan o'zi. Ellie va bu uni Zakni xotini. Zakni xotini Emma ekan. Emma. Hop, tekshirib ko'ramiz endi. Left to right demak, chapdan o'ngga deyapti. Emma, Anna, Ben, Zach. Endi yana xato. Anna ekan bu nimaga? Chunki Ellie rasmga olyapti. Bu men dedi-yu, Anna-da u. Anna ekan. Demak, tepa ham ishtirok etish kerak ekan va buni topdik. Demak, Ellie rasmga olyapti, Robert yo'q. Demak, o'z-o'zidan Anna bo'lib qoldi. Demak, I've got a big family. I've got a big family. my grandparents, my parents, my wife, and 3 daughters. My parents, my wife, and 3 daughters. I love them. In the my daughter's name. My daughter's names are Mughli Jahan, Lahan, and Barnahan. I am a teacher. Demak, yozib qo'y. I have got a sister, her name is Olivia deb yozib qo'yishimiz kerak ekan. Yozib qo'yamiz.